How to fix Crimson Desert Nature's Snare not working. So if you want to fix your Crimson Desert Nature's Snare not working, then just watch this video. First, you need to plug your controller in. You can use your wired instead of your Bluetooth. Many players report the ability simply doesn't register right stick rotation when wireless. You also have some instant plugging in fixes. You need to rotate your stick correctly. Even when it works, the input is strict. Don't push stick fully or use 50% tilt. Rotate slowly and smoothly. Try counterclockwise if clockwise fails. Don't spin too fast. And the next thing you can do is check your spirit or energy. If animation starts but cancelled, then Nature's Snare uses a green energy meter. If empty, ability stops midway. To fix that, you need to recharge before using. Or the next thing you can do is update your controller or disable your Steam input. Update controller via Xbox Accessories app or try turning Steam input off. And do the replugging controller and it might work. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.